you want to go out, Jess? Yeah. Okay. You answered. Oh, no. It's quite thick today. Let's get that gutter looked at. Oh, Kizzy, do you want to go out? No. Cat number 2. Another go? Surely not. What do you reckon? What about you, Keith? Do you want to go out? You're there somewhere. You going? Yes, he's going. Oh. Really? It's lovely out there. Try this one as well. He's going. Little nudge. No. They both want to run off.